In your YouTube channel, what you can also do is you can add in watermarks to your videos so that in all of your videos, a little icon related to your channel is displayed so that your viewers know that the video is from your channel. So to do that, you can go to the customize section in the YouTube Studio page right here, and then you can go around onto branding. So over here, you can see video watermark is an option right here, and it says an image that's size of 150 by 150 is recommended right here with no animations, and usually PNG and GIF is recommended. That is because they support transparency. So I'm just going to go around and click on upload right here, and on my desktop I have a watermark.png file which is transparent right here. So if I were to open that up right here, you can see that I can customize out the watermark according to how I like. So I can go around and then resize it, but you can see that the image is already square, and then there's the content that's okay. So I'm just going to press done right here. So once this is done, you can see that you can display the watermark at the end of the video or in a custom start timing. So let's say, for example, you want to show this for the first 10 seconds, you can do that as well. But if you want to display it to the entire video, you can do that as well. So once this is done, I'm going to go around and click on publish right here. Then what happens is that the watermark will be applied. So now I'm going to go around onto view channel, and let's view one of our videos right here. So you can see the video, and there's this little watermark right here, and it prompts me to subscribe it as well. If I were to go around and click on this video, you can see this little watermark that we just uploaded is shown right here. And that is how you can add in video watermarks onto videos for branding purposes. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.